Hello everyone, I'm Swapna Sabu. On behalf of SAG Infotech, I would like to take you through a brief introduction of our software. SAG Infotech basically designs software for CA, CS and professionals. The software that I'll be explaining today is PC Spy. Before starting with our demo, there may be many questions that you might be wondering. Why you should use our PC Spy software, or how can this software benefits you? Here are some possible scenarios that you might fall into. If your employee isn't staying on task and they are misusing company's resources, if your employees are opening prohibited websites or they are trying to install any foreign software, then to overcome from all these issues, it is best to use our PC Spy software. As with the help of this software, you'll be able to monitor your employees' work and block any unwanted websites. In case of system failure, you'll be able to take backup of any file or folder from your employee's computer. PC Spy software can be used in any organization, school, colleges, offices, cyber cafes, etc. Now let's start with our demo. To start PC Spy software, you need to double click on the icon which will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Now enter A as username and password, which is the default login information. This is the main screen of PC Spy. Here you can see a system list is being displayed. This list consists of all your employees' computer which is connected with your system. To check the connectivity between all your computers, just right click on the icon and click on refresh. Here status means whether the system is on or off. The first feature that I am going to explain is monitoring. Just select the system from the list and click on Start. This will allow you to monitor the required computer that is connected with your system. Click on mouse key Start to have full control over mouse and keyboard of the remote system. Click on Screenshot to take screenshot of that particular system. Click on Recording Start to record the system that you are monitoring. If you want to view multiple screens at a time, just click on this drop down and split the screens. Select the screen, select the system from the list and click on Start. And do the same for all the screens. If you want to view a particular screen while monitoring multiple screens, just double click on that screen and again double click to exit from full screen. Now click on back. Next is Messenger. If you want to send any message to any remote client that is connected with your system, just select the system from the system list. Enter message. Attach any file if you want and click on send. The message will be displayed as a pop-up at the bottom of the screen. After clicking on this pop-up, Messenger page will be opened. And remember, client can access Messenger and Reminder without login information. Now click on back. Next is Reminder. Just select the system from the list to set reminder to. Write reminder. Set date and time and click on add. The reminder will be displayed like this. Click on close. Click on back. Next is video conferencing. You can have video conferencing with any of your client which is connected with your system. You can also have a real-time chat with those clients who doesn't have any webcam or any audio facilities. Click on System ID. System IDs are those which is used to identify the recordings that is done while monitoring, as the recordings are saved as pcid.userid name. Click on Inactive Systems to delete any systems that are off. Click on Back. Next is Settings. Click on Modify. Here you can see you'll be able to change username and password of the PC Spy software. You'll also be able to take backup and repair or restore of the PC Spy software. You can also change the location of the recordings that are saved. Click on Save. If you want to change the server, just click on this button. The next feature that I am going to explain is History Log. Just click on this button. Here you can see there are two radio buttons, that is PC and User. PC allows you to view information system-wise. User will allow you to have information user-wise. Just select the system from the list and click on Get Information. Weblog displays the complete browsing history of the client that is connected with your system. Chatlog displays the complete chat history of the client done through PC Spy. Attendance log displays the login information of the system. Violation log displays the complete list of the sites that are being accessed by the client even if it is blocked. Recording logs displays the logs of recordings done while monitoring. Select the recording and click on play. Screenshot displays the screenshot taken while monitoring. Click on Back. Next feature is File Folder Protection. If you want to protect any file or folder in your system or in your client system, then select the system from the list. Click on Modify. Add that particular file or folder. Click on OK. Here you can see there are three modes, that is Stop Delete, Stop Modify, Stop Access. Stop Delete will block user to delete any file or folder. Stop Modify will block user to modify any file or folder. Stop Access will block user to have access in that particular file or folder. Click on Save. If you want to delete any row from the list, just select the row and click on Delete. Now save. Click on Back. Next is File Folder Synchronization. If you want to sync any file or folder with your client, then select the system from the list. Click on Modify. Set time. Change the data path where you want to save the file. Click on Add. Add that particular file. Click on OK. Check the checkbox and click on Save. This means every changes will be saved in your system. To delete any row from the list, click on Modify, select the row and click on Delete. Click on Save. Click on Back. Next is System Information. If you want to have hardware and software related information, then you can use this feature. Hardware information displays the hardware related information, that is about hard disk, keyboard, motherboard, processor, etc. Software information displays the list of software that are being installed in this client system. Just select the system from the list to view information. Changes software will displays the changes done in software, that is if any software is being installed, uninstalled or updated, then that information will be displayed here. If your client changes any mouse, keyboard, then that detail will be displayed here. Click on back. Next feature is website block. Select the system from the list. Change the user. Now click on modify. Here you can see there are three modes, that is block internet, block site, allow site. Block internet blocks the internet of that particular system that you have selected. Block sites will allow you to block any site from your client's computer. Now click on save. Click on modify. If you want to add additional sites detail, then just click on add button and manually enter the site address. And click on save. Click on modify. Now third is allow site. This will allow any particular site in the client system, except that all the sites will be blocked. Click on none to remove any blocking. Click on save. The blockings can also be done user wise. Now click on back. Next is software block. Select the system from the list. Click on modify. This will allow you to block any software that are being installed in the client system. Click on save. For example, I have blocked Google Chrome. Click on OK. Uncheck to remove blocking. Click on back. Next is file folder backup. If you want to take backup of any file or folder from your client system, then select the system from the list. Click on modify. Click on add file folder. Select the file which you want to take backup. Click on OK. It will ask you the destination path where you want to save the backup. For example, I am saving desktop and click on select folder. Now click on save. Again click on modify. Select the row from the list. Now start backup. Once you have taken the backup, you have to restore the file in order to read that file. For example, like I have taken a backup of this folder, then that folder will be displayed like this, which is not a readable form. In order to have access to this file, just select the row from the list and start restore. Select the backup type. Click on OK. It will ask you to choose restoration path. I'm selecting desktop. Select folder. Save. The folder will be now readable form. Click on modify. Select the row from the list and click on delete to delete the row. Now click on back. The last feature that I am going to explain is system control. Just select the system from the list. Here you can see there are 4 buttons, that is uninstall, log off, shutdown and restart. To uninstall PC Spy software from the remote system, then just click on this button. You will be able to log off, shut down and restart the remote system from here itself. Click on modify. You can block any pen drive, CD drive or hard drive from the remote system. You'll also be able to block any new software installation, uninstallation, or update. As you know, after installation of the PCSpy software, the icon will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. You'll also be able to hide this icon by checking this checkbox. From here, you can auto schedule record of any system, set the time, and only 30 seconds of the recordings will be done and saved in the server system. Auto schedule screenshot will allow you to take screenshot of that particular system in every 1 minute or the time you are giving the system. Click on save. Click on modify and uncheck the box to remove any blockings. Click on save. Click on back. These were the basic information of PCSpy software. To know more about the modules, you can click on this About Us button, or you can call us at 0141 4072 or you can mail us at info@saginfotech.com. Thank you.